Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are fine. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Here I am with you, Muhammad Ashikur Rahman, lecturer, Department of ICT, Milestone College. So, my dear students, today you will learn about HTML tag from chapter 4. So, let's have a look. So, my dear students, today I will show you some tag for HTML table. Okay, you have to use some tag th, then td, tr, and also you have to know about table border. So let's see in details. Here you can see th. Okay, th for used for, we have to use for t for table. Okay, t for table and h for heading, table heading. Okay, table heading for th. Then td, what is td? td for, again, t for table and d for data, table data. Then third one you can see here, third one tr. Okay, so tr here, t for table and r for row. So here we have learned three different tag, th, td and also tr. So I think it's very clear for you. Here you can see code, then name and also GPA. So here my students see here code, this one is th for bold, and again here name and GPA. Code, name, GPA, all are th. Here use here table heading, and here you can see 523, then Ronnie, and then 5 GPA 5. Okay, see here 523 Ronnie and 5 GPA 5, all are data, table data. Okay, here also you can see third row, also here you can see 754 Tony and also 4.93, all are data. You have to use table data. Okay, fine. And then here tr for table row. So my dear students, here you can see we have three rows. Clear? You can see here this one is first row, code, name, GPA, and then you can see 523 Ronnie. This one also is row, and last one is 3, so 754, then Tony, and 4.93, all are this one is called third row, this one is second row, and this one is first row. So you have to use tr, start from here and you have to close here. Then again for row number 2 we have to close here, and for row number 3 we have to close here. Okay, from left to right we have to show the data, and also heading also we have to use tr. Okay, then here you can see table border. Okay, so here with angular bracket, this one is called tag, this one is table tag. When you use table, you have to use the table tag, table. And here you can see border, this one is called attribute, table type. And here you can see after equal, between double quotation you can see here 1, you can tell here value. Okay, value, but not 1 is not fixed here, we can change it. Here you can see in border, just outer border, here only one border, so I have write here 1. If I write here 2, just draw the second outer line, so we have to write the position here 2, so value will be 2. Okay, so it's not fixed, we can change it for show the output. Okay, so here we are using opening tag here for table tag, but not close. Just you have to close the table border like this. Don't use attribute here because table is tag. So you know already we have to use open tag and we have to close table tag. So here opening tag is table and here closing tag is table. But remember one thing, don't use attribute. Okay, so my dear students, let's see how to write HTML code to show the output. This one is our output. we have to show like exactly like this. So let's write, start from HTML, then we have to write body as usual we do here, and then write table border. Okay, so I'm using here HTML opening tag, body also opening tag, and also here table border 1. I already told about it, how to use the value 1. Now we have to start our table row. Our first table row start from here 1. You can see here I write here already 1. So use tr for table row. We have to start the table row. First one table row, then then you can see first one is code, then second one name, and third one also GPA, but those word are bold formatted. So you have to use TH here, TH for table heading, then write code and then TH close. Clear? And similarly you can use also, you have to write from left to right. So first one is code, second one name, and third one is GPA. So similarly I can write TH, then name, and then TH. Okay, second one complete, and our last one is GPA. So write again TH, GPA, and then TH close, and finally our line is completed, first line completed. So you have to use TR, closing TR. So my dear students, you can see here TR start here and TR close here. Inside you can see code, name, and GPA. Okay, so first row is complete. Similarly you can see here second row. So again start TR, then what you have to use, you have to use TD. Why TD? Because here 523 is table data, not table heading. Okay, so right here TD. Okay, TD, then what is our data? Our data is 523, then TD close. Okay, TD close. Then again you can see second one is Ronnie, 500, after 523 we can see Ronnie, then GPA 5.00. so write Ronnie again, Ronnie, then TD close, and then finally you can see 5 after Ronnie, another data is 5. So write again TD 5.00 and TD close. So here you can see our second row again completed. So now we have to close the TR tag. Okay, similarly you can see first one and second one, you can see we close second row also, and finally we have our last row, third row. You can see here third row. Similarly after this one you can write here TR again for our third row. To start the row you have to use TR. Okay, TR for table row. Okay, fine, very good. TR for table row, and then after using table row, first one is data, right? 754 is data, then Tony also data, and 4.93 also data. So here write TD, then 754, TD close. First one is complete, then go second one is TD, Tony, and finally TD close. Tony also completed, and again 4.93, this one also data, table data. So write 4.93 table data, and finally our third row also completed. So what should we do? We have to close the TR tag. Is it clear? So see here our third row also completed. Now we have to close the our another opening tag. There you can see here table, body, and also HTML. Those are not completed, so we have to close those tag. So you have to write table close, Just see here, you can go bottom to top. First one is table tag, right? Table close, then body close, and then finally HTML close. Okay, so I think, my dear students, you have understood my today's HTML table. So we are using lots of new tag. You already know about tr, th, td. We already used here table and also use attribute value. You can see here table border. This one is new for you. And also you have learned th, table heading, how many row, how many column. So my dear students, hope you have understood my today's video class. If you have any problem, then ask me or ask your subject teacher. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.